welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this very easy and cute crochet stitch. Okay, you can use this for making a scarves or a top or a dress or a skirt or even baby dress. Okay, so this is very easy. Today I will be using my white acrylic yarn and my 4mm hook. Okay, so let's get started. So to start with, I'm going to create a slip knot, and then we are going to chain 20. Okay, so you can adjust this, guys. You can adjust how big you want to be. Okay, so with this one this is just a tutorial, so I will just show you how to start with, so you can adjust if you want it bigger. Okay, so you just have to adjust. So with this it is just a multiple of 5. Okay, so let's chain 20. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so from here we are going to pull this up. Okay, and if you can grab your ruler, okay, and put this inside. Okay, so that will be our length. Okay, so we need this length, so we will be using a ruler to do that. Okay, so what we're going to do is just use that and use this as our measuring thing. Okay, and we have that one there, so we are going to go to the next stitch. Okay, and pull up a loop and then pull through, and we are going to work on this ruler. Okay, and just pull it tight. Okay, so after that we have there, so we're going to do the next. Okay, so every chain you're just going to work in every chain. Okay, and then pull up, then put it there, and then tie it up and jump into the next. Okay, then pull it up and insert. Okay, and the next. Pull it up. Okay, so we just have to make sure that, okay, they're all the same. Okay, then the next. Insert and tie it up. And you just have to continue this until to the end. Okay, and you are going to have 20 loops on the ruler. Okay, so continue that, guys, and I'll get back to you and I will show you what's the next step. Okay, so just continue that, okay, until you work until here, and make sure that you have 20 loops in your ruler. Okay, and I'll meet you back up. Hello, guys. Okay, so I have done, and I have my 20 loops that I created. Okay, so I will pull this off. Okay, and just be gentle. Okay, so from here we're going to do 1. Okay, sorry. Okay, and we have 1 there, 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we are going to yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, and from here okay, we are going to do 5 chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet. Okay, so after that we have to get 5 sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops, and from there we're going to yarn over and then pull through all the loops, and we are going to do the same thing, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then the next set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through all the loops. Okay, and 4 more single crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then we have 5 left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 loops. Okay, so from here we're going to yarn over and then pull all through 5, and 4 more single crochet, 3, and 4. Okay, so and now we have 1 set there, and from here, okay, we have to turn our work, okay, and chain 1, okay, and then pull up. So we will be doing the same. Sure, guys, we are not going to chain 1. Okay, so from here we are just going to pull up, and then we are going to do the same thing. Okay, and we are going to pull up 20 So we have here, so that's what's one there. So we are going to do the next one. Okay, and then pull up the loop. Okay, and insert into the ruler. Okay. Okay, pull up, insert, and tied it up. Pull up to the next. Okay, pull up and insert, and then tied it up, and to the next one. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, and to the next one. Okay, you have to make sure that you have 20 when you finish. Okay, if not, you have to come back and fix it. Okay, you might miss somewhere along the way. Okay, so next chain. The next. Okay, the next. The next. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we are just going to do that all the way here. Okay, finish that, guys. Make sure that you have 20. So 1 2, so 2 4 6 8 9 at the moment. Okay, so we have 11 left. Okay, so do that, guys, and I'll meet you back. Okay, guys, so I am done. Okay, so what we're going to do now is pull this off. Just be gentle. Okay, and we're going to work in the first chain. What I want to do is just pull that and then pull up. Okay, and then from here we're going to we're going to count 1 2 3 4 and then 5. Okay, 5 loops. So 1 2 3 4, no, 1 2 3 4 5. So this one here. Okay, so after that, okay, we are going to rub, okay, and pull through, and from here, okay, so that's 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and then after that we're going to get 5 sets again. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and yarn over, fold through all 5. Okay, complete the single crochet, and then from here we're going to do our single crochet. 2 3 4 and 5. Then after that we're going to get our 5 sets again. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and fold that through and complete your single crochet. Okay, second single crochet, 3 4 and 5. Okay, and the last set. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so from here pull up the loop. Okay, complete the single crochet, then 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so as you can see, we completed our second row. Okay, so you can adjust this as well. Okay, so you can get that. Okay, just tighten that up. As you can see, that is how we made this stitch. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a video. And happy new year's guys, and thank you for watching, and see you to the next video. Bye.